cerebrum right in here. Arbor vitae is this pattern that forms within the cerebellum of white matter against gray matter. It looks like a tree. Aristotle is supposed to have called it the tree of life. Arbor vitae. Right there. See that tree? Right there.
Oh, just
The pattern.
okay.
Arbor vitae. Okay. The brain stem. Here it is. The brain stem is made up of three things: the midbrain, the pons, and the medulla oblongata. So here we go with each of those. We find the midbrain by looking for the cerebral aqueduct. There's the cerebral aqueduct right there. It connects the third ventricle with the fourth ventricle, and everything around that is midbrain. So the midbrain is part of the brain stem. Here's the pons. Here it is on this specimen, this big old swollen area. And in this is the medulla oblongata. There it is there. And there it is here. This is the pons. And you can't see the midbrain from there. It's tucked down in. So the brainstem, pons, midbrain, medulla oblongata. Yeah, be able to just tick those off. Brainstem.
Which is the midbrain again?
The midbrain is everything around the cerebral aqueduct. There's the cerebral aqueduct right there. There it is on this one right there. It's a little bit better on this one. So all of this is midbrain. Remember the corpora quadragemina? There's the superior colliculus and the inferior colliculus, part of the midbrain. Right there and there. There and there. All right. So the cerebral peduncles, let me show you on this. Here's a cerebral peduncle right there and right there, part of the midbrain, cerebral peduncles. I don't want to tear this open to show them to you here. I want to leave it be. Cerebral peduncles. The ancients thought that this part of the brain right here, this part of the brain stem, was actually little feet holding up, or looked like little feet, I guess, holding up the cerebrum. Peduncle means little foot. So they're little feet holding up, and it's upside down, of course, so they'd be holding up the cerebrum from below. These things right here, cerebral peduncles. What they are is nerve tracts. They're myelinated bundles of myelinated axons running back and forth. From the brainstem into the brain, or from the brain through the brainstem and out into the medulla and to the spinal cord and on.
So is part of that brain gone, or you just
No, it's all there. It's all there.
can't see?
In a human brain, it's kind of all tucked together like that. Can you see them here? Yeah, probably. Let's see what we got. Right there. There are blood vessels in the way. Let me move those back. Right there. Cerebral peduncle right there. The pons, that's this thing here. This swelling area. It's a bridge. It connects the two hemispheres of the cerebellum. They run right through there and into the other side. And